So there was once an article on ancestry.com that said mathematically it's possible for what you're talking about to happen, but in actuality, like the chances of it happening is like almost 0%. Like I don't think I've ever seen a case of that. Because at the end of the day, if you have two ancestries, like, let's say you're 50-50, your genes are going to recombine at a random type of combination, and so it's highly unlikely that it would just rule out one side of the ancestry completely. So I just use this as an example. Somebody has 50% native, 50% Asian or whatever. So they have a child, then the child can come out 25-25. That's pretty standard. That's probably what's going to happen, but it could be a slight variation, like right here it's saying 22 versus 28 or whatever. One thing the AI is conceding, though, is that because the recombination isn't like perfectly balanced, there is a chance you could have something super lopsided, like, you pass over 40% native DNA and like 10% Asian in this example, but it would be like, again, very uncommon. It'd be like an extreme case, in my opinion, for that to happen. Now, but the chances of like completely ruling out one ancestry altogether, I think that would basically like never freaking happen. Although I am curious that anybody that's taken the DNA test or seen DNA results or knows like a sibling that's taken it, has anyone seen like such a lopsided type of pass down happen before? Something like this 40%, 10% type of thing, or even if it's 30% versus 20, has anybody ever seen anything like that happen?